Hi everyone and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be some laundry motivation, specifically folding and hanging up clothes. And then I'm going to give you some vacuuming motivation as well.
When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak.
This is going to be one of 3 videos in a small series that I'm doing. I'm just going to be doing shorter, specific cleaning motivation. So this one will be laundry and vacuuming, and then I will have 2 other ones coming up. I did film all of these on the same day, so you will notice my next 2 videos are going to be wearing the same thing. Let me know if you like this, if you want to see anything specific. Sometimes I just want to watch something like I have to clean the fridge or whatever it is, and I search for that video. So that is the purpose of this series, is just to give you a specific motivation for a certain task. And if you like this, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up just to let me know that you like this. I'm gonna let you listen to some music and I will talk to you later.
I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move all night long? The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own. We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? With your body. With your body.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. This place where we can go, where it's always
I really hope you guys will like this video, especially because it was shorter and it just got right to the point of the motivation that you need. And if you're new, I hope you hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell, especially for my next 2 videos coming up. And you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Don't you know that